Sakazani, Emakosini, Sanbonani. So, yeah, I'm back again with another video. So, I wanted to do the series of candles in Qedze, but I can't find the red one, but I'm gonna come back to that one. So, now I'm playing in Patele in pink. Candle a little pink, guys. Candle a little pinky. Khandlela elipinki nalo libalekile kakhulu nawumntwana wani wetithunywa nawumntwana wetithunywa nawunemanono. Let me just put it like that and not confuse you guys. Nawunemanono nangumngani wakho, nawe ukuthi unemanono nangumngani wakho ne nangumngani wakho. Likhandlela lelipinki lidonsa before ngiyase manono and all that. It's also a Khandlela lani portal. It opens my portals depending ukuthi uvula which portal. Yabo, it's a gate. Ngayibe kanjani? It's a gateway candle. Pink is a gateway color. So as a candle, I can say it's a gateway candle. Yabo. So now we'll know what you're doing, because what which spirits are you calling? Do you even have the spirits as well? Because this candle, you understand that? So that's why now Pasha Umbutana is very, very specific. Pita titalo to kanya, pita mandlo to kanya, pita titunya to kanya, pita wango kanya, tetisepumnyamo, tetisepinyamin. So yeah, Khandlela leli pinky. Not ukuthi unemanono lisebenzise toksita kakhulu. Can also be used nangokuthi obene miscarriage, maybe uyenda lati akashoti because ukuconnecta naloyo mntana lo wahamba, ukuconnecta nemanono banana la sebahambile bangale, yabona. So madlodi bantwana, let me just put it like that. Lisebenzise litoksita nawathi ukuthi waphunyela sesi ufuna kenda lati lifake lisebenzise kakhulu. Can add 3, can make it 1, can make it 2, whatever, you understand. Lisebenzise litoksita pink, not only for nangokuthi unemanono, maybe ufuna kuthandaza, ufuna connecta nabo and all that. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it's a gateway color. Ngisho ngithi nawufuna into takho tivakale fast, nawufuna kudonsa fast, but no ukuthi udonsa ini, you know, no ukuthi udonsa ini, because udonsa into letingekho right. So yeah, now thandaza funa kenda lati, you had a miscarriage, na connecta nemanono, pink uyamsebenzisa. Akashoti guys. Sokozani Emakosini. Bye.